Right then guys, we put out a post about a month ago asking what you would like to see us do on the channel next. So we are on our way to go and pick up two vehicles. One being a family electric vehicle with a sensible budget. So we are on our way to pick up our first electric vehicle. So this will be interesting to see what we discover when we pick it up. Will it work? Will it be electrified? Will I get electrocuted even? So we will see. And the second one was a German estate. So it was only ever really going to be either a BM, a Merc or an Audi really, unless it was a Golf R estate. But we have managed to secure a BMW estate. And I'm not going to say too much until we pick it up. So we are just travelling down the A2 now. We should be into Copart around about 1 o'clock to pick up both vehicles. So we'll get these vehicles picked up. We'll do a little bit of picking them up so you can see what we purchased, and then we'll assess the damage, guys. Right, so that is us just about to arrive in Copart. They're doing it there, look, picking one up, dropping one off outside, and then coming back in for the other one. So we have got two vehicles to pick up. We have to let them know that we have arrived, Jana. It used to be that we used to tell this person here that we were here, do you remember? Yeah. How funny. I'm going in, yeah. Oh, look, he's driving out. He's just picked up a Copart car. Right, so that is us. We have arrived at Copart. Nervously looking around and seeing if we have potentially bought two more lemons to add to the rest of the lemons. But yeah, doesn't seem very busy down here today. So hopefully we should be seen very quickly. We'll pick up these two vehicles, get back to the yard and see how good or how bad these vehicles are that we've just purchased. That's it. Looking through. Look at the camera. Well guys, it seems like this is the worst of it. So hopefully we'll get this bit pulled out, get that bit put back in. But it has got all the leather. It is a decent spec. Let's just hope that the battery's okay on it. But you guys wanted it on the channel, so I bought you one. So this is our BMW 320 MSport estate, what you asked for on the channel also. So we've done the same thing again. We've bought you another vehicle. So Jana, why is it that you are climbing through the passenger side on this vehicle, Jay?
Because someone's bought a car where the driver's door doesn't open.
What do you mean the driver's door don't open? Let me have a look. Oh yeah, that's why it was in Copart. Well, looks like we've got a bit of work to do here, guys. Is that going to be safe? Is that going to be safe to drive? Does that door shut?
No, I don't want to slam it.
Does it not shut? Where are you going to drive the car?
Well, I don't know.
Shut it. Go on. Just slam it. I've got to put a new door on anyway. Shut, yeah?
No.
Just push it. Does it open? No, don't open it. That's it. You're fine. You're safe. Right. You ready? Does it start? Come on. Does this car start, people? Right. You ready? Okay. Half a tank of diesel. Any lights on?
No lights.
Right. Winning. You better get off to the school run. Don't drive too fast in case your door blows off. so that is the 320D MSport Estate in the manual, picked up. We can see it has damage on the side. They have categorised this as an S, and that is the reason why, because of this. So what we plan to do is to drill this, pull it out and deal with that. But you can see the door has not been shutting properly with all the dust, but this has just driven back from Salvage and it seems to drive all right. So you know what we do, you know how we repair things. We will obviously have to do the wheels because that's how we roll. There's a scratch on that door which we'll have to do also, but I don't think this is going to be a bad car to do, especially with, I think it's done 90, one former keeper. So let's start getting this sorted. Right then guys, so we have got our first electric vehicle back in here, and this is the Nissan Leaf. Now it does say it starts and runs. It has only got one key, but this is the Tekna, so this has got the top spec. It has got the Bose sound system. It's got heated seats, heated steering wheel, absolutely everything on it. But it's had a fair whack in the rear quarter here. As I was coming down the motorway, I could see the old back end flapping. So this rear quarter is quite creased, and then this rear bumper, but it doesn't look too bad down in here. If you have a quick look in now, it's not that bad. So I don't think it will be too much to get sorted, as long as we can get this line right for this rear light. So what we'll do, we'll grab this off the trailer and see if it actually does drive off the trailer. Right, have we bought a lemon, or is this going to drive off? Okay, so first electric vehicle. First things first, power button. It's doing something. It says 49,000 miles. Oh, better turn that off before I get copyrighted. Well, this seems to be working. It sounds like it's doing something. Right, so, oh, we've got a reversing camera. Is it going to drive off here? This is unbelievable. It actually has got, let me put my seatbelt on to see if that's what it's telling me off for. No, it's telling me, oh, I hadn't put the park off. Right, so we have got 59 miles of range. We have just quickly checked and there is no charging cable, so that will be the first point of call for this before we start the repair. But you guys wanted a cheap electric vehicle. This is the Nissan Leaf Tekna, has only got 49,000 miles on it. So we will be working at getting this rear quarter sorted. And you know how we do things, so it will only ever be done properly. We'll get this fully charged up. Really interesting to see what this car goes like, because I keep seeing these electric vehicles and how mad they are and how fast they feel. So we will be putting this one to the test. But what a spec on this. It's got heated steering wheel. It's got heated seats. It's got absolutely everything on this. And the room in the back is massive. So looks like one of you will get an absolute bargain.